So my name is Melissa Jones, and I work here at Moment of Truth Physical Therapy, and we often get the question, what is myofascial release? So in this video, I'm going to just share a few examples of what myofascial is so that you have a little bit better of an understanding of what myofascial release is. Myofascia is the work on the fascia system, fascia being interconnective tissue between skin and muscle. We rehydrate that tissue with a hands-on approach, kind of slow, gentle approach, sinking into the depth barrier of your tissue, not stretching, twisting, cranking, definitely sinking into your body's tension and barriers, allowing your body to soften, rehydrate, re-lengthen, re-educate. Sometimes we use a bit of compression. If you think about a garden hose and it's been stepped on and the water stops flowing, that's kind of what happens when we have trauma, tension, just strain or stress within our system in any one area. The myofascial would take the foot off of the garden hose and allow that to rehydrate and kind of flow in natural ease and movement. Another example would be sort of an orange, and if you think about the segments of an orange, that white sticky stuff. I don't like oranges, so it's hard for me to use oranges as an example. I don't like that pulp, but that pulp is kind of the fascia that's in our system. It kind of segregates our organs and puts our muscles into kind of like little canisters through our body, but it holds us as a unit, but we can kind of lengthen and stretch those segments as we do work with you. So it's a gentle hands-on approach, working to rehydrate, re-lengthen, and educate your fascial system. I hope that gives you a little bit of an idea of what myofascial is. We're always here to answer more questions for you.